Car and driver put the Impala and the 300 to a head-to-head braking test. When tested with anti-lock brakes, results revealed that the Impala's stopping distance was a full 17 feet shorter than the 300's when decelerating from 70 miles per hour to a full stop.
So, you're driving in heavy highway traffic and the guy in front of you who's talking away on his cell phone doesn't pay any attention to all the brake lights going on in front of him. He finally jams on the brakes at the last second. You come to a screeching stop and nearly crash into the back. Now you know why you want a car with superior braking distance.